Hi, today I'm for the new REALME 10 Pro Plus and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to wallpapers and style. Here you'll see wallpaper section, just tap here and after that we can see here all our default wallpapers, the albums from our device gallery. You can use the photos previously taken on your device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also we can click here to more wallpapers and use the online wallpapers, but just to use them we should be connected to the Wi-Fi or another mobile data. So let's just go back and here now let's use first the default wallpaper. For example, I'll use this one. Click here to apply and tap to lock screen. After that, let's just lock the device to check it, and we can see that we just successfully changed lock screen wallpaper on our Realme device. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just first we should hold for a while our home screen, and then on the left down corner we'll see the wallpapers icon. Just click here, and by the same way we can use all of these wallpapers, the defaults or from our device camera. Now let's just use the online wallpapers. Just to use them, connect first to the Wi-Fi and after that we can select one from these available wallpapers. For example, also here we can see the groups, the folders with the nature, love with the love wallpaper. So click to view and after that let's just for example select this wallpaper, click here to apply, don't ask again, wallpapers, and now just tap to apply and select lock screen. So just wait a moment and now we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.